What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back behind Signature Glass Tinting, and we're looking at a brand new Tesla Model X. As you can see, I got it all opened up, and I thought we'd walk through it and kind of take a look at everything we did to this car. So first off, we tinted every single piece of glass on this car. The windshield was completely done by hand. We installed the Lumar Air 80, 86% infrared heat rejection, 99.9% UV protection. All the sides and the back were tinted with what's called the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX. Every window was digitally cut. We used the Tint Tech 2020 cutting system. Every piece of film was installed in what we call a one-piece installation, and all the roll-up windows were filed and shaved. So let's start with the back window. The back window, again, was digitally cut. As you can see, it fits perfect. There's no extra window film flopping around in the wind. There's no light gaps. It looks great. Go ahead and shut this down. Again, everything fits perfect. Lumar IRX. The upper windows here, again, everything was digitally cut, installed. The roll-up windows, small quarter windows, everything was digitally cut. As you can see, again, the Lumar IRX looks wonderful. The front doors, again, everything was digitally cut. There's no light gap. Everything fits perfect. Go ahead and shut this car door also. So again, Lumar window film all the way around. Nothing but the best. Let's walk over here to the passenger side. Let's go ahead and shut this door here. Again, front door, everything was digitally cut. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved. There's no big giant light gap. There's nothing worse than opening up your door, rolling down your window, and having a big light gap. As we crawl inside, we also did the front windshield. Front windshield on this car is very difficult to do. Again, we used the Lumar Air 80. We did the windshield in what we call a one-piece installation. If you look hard enough at this windshield, you will find imperfections. I don't care who does it. This is a hard window. We do not remove any of this rear view mirror part. Some shops do. We do not recommend it. But as you can see, the front windshield looks great. Lumar Air 80, again, is what we did on the front windshield. So again, in review, Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield, Nano Ceramic Lumar IRX on all the sides and the back. It looks great. You're looking at the IRX 30%. We went over the factory tinted glass with the 30%. We did the front doors in the 30%. The sun is setting right now. It's not perfect timing to make a video. A lot of shadows, but as you can see, it looks great. If you have a Tesla Model X, I highly recommend you choose Lumar or Formula One window film. Stay away, guys, from all the window film that's been around 2-3 years. There's so many companies now that didn't exist a couple years ago. Big corporate American companies putting their names on products. Lumar window film, Formula One window film, it doesn't get any better. The chances are whatever film you're looking to put on your car, they purchased their raw materials from Eastman Chemical Company. That's who owns Lumar and Formula One. Eastman Chemical Company is not going to sell their competitor a better raw material than they install on their own film. Find a good Lumar dealer. Make sure that they're going to take care of you if anything ever goes wrong, over and above the manufacturer's warranty. Signature Glass Tinting in Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or give us a call the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468.